What's up, guys? We back with another one. It is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there. Hope you guys enjoy your family. Eat some good food. Unfortunately, I have to work because I got this truck in, but we're just gonna keep moving with the projects. It's a simple sunroof install. It's the easy sunroofs is what I call them, the easy ones. But this one's a special one because this is a webasto, old school webasto. I don't know where this guy got this webasto sunroof at. I even tried buying it from him, but he's got the old school 5-touch, soft touch webasto sunroof. We're going to be installing on this clean Dodge Ram single cam. This is probably one of the cleanest custom Dodge Rams that I've seen. This thing's badass. Got some intros, painted interior. It's badass. Custom wise, I've had some clean Rams in here at Rob's Customs, but this one custom wise pretty much takes it. But yeah, happy Thanksgiving, guys. Obviously by the time you guys see this video, Thanksgiving will be over. But let's check out the sunroof. Check it out. Old school 5-button webasto. Now, if you guys are new to this channel, webasto went out of business. Well, they didn't go out of business. They discontinued the sunroofs a while back when I started installing sunroofs for about a year. They discontinued them. For what reason, I don't know. And then all of a sudden they came back. They came back for a while, and then all of a sudden they decided to stop manufacturing anything aftermarket parts. So they stopped with all the webasto aftermarket sunroofs, and they started doing nothing but OEM, everything coming out of the dealership sunroofs. So these got taken out of production. China later on made something similar to this without the trim though. This has the shade in there, but now the shade is built into that, the Chinese versions. And I got sunroofs, a lot of them. All these are already waiting for their appointments to come in. But yeah, these ones are the old school ones, and these are going to be literally hard to find. Besides, I think Sunroof Performance still carries these to a certain point. I think I know they do a lot of sunroofs. I follow Sunroof Performance. They do a lot of good work. But these are the good ones. These are the ones everybody wants and everybody wanted. But like I said, they went out of business, or they stopped producing them, and we ended up getting a Chinese version, which is okay. Everything's still the same. Still got the sunshade, but it doesn't have the buttons up there on top, nice and slick, compared to the new one where it has a little button. But enough of that. Check out this truck. Badass. I am going to be making a video of this, my Can-Am. I did put my 28s off of my OBS. This thing is crazy. But that's another video. Check it out. This thing is badass. Nice clean work. Really nice. It's already got the suede sun visors. And all it needs is the suede headliner with the nice webasto to top it off on this nice clean Ram. Alright guys, we're going to start taking everything apart. Quick install here on the Holiday. And then I do got some painting I'm doing in the back. So we'll just keep going. Alright guys, install's done. 12 o'clock. Dropped it off at 8:30. Not bad. Came out badass, clean, black suede. It just goes with the whole interior now. Let's check it out.